Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on percentage loss. There are many instances where goods are bought and later they are sold for a loss. A store may have many clothes left over after the winter season, for example. These clothes may need to be sold at vastly reduced prices to make way for new summer stock. People who buy from the share market may be forced to sell at reduced prices if there is a sharp downturn in the market. Hence, we have the following. The loss is the cost price minus the selling price, because the selling price is less than the cost price. Therefore, the percentage loss is the loss over the cost price times 100 over 1. Let's look at some examples. Bill bought a new car for $16,000. Due to unforeseen circumstances, he was forced to sell the car 3 months later for $12,000. What was his percentage loss? So his loss was the cost price minus the selling price, which was $4,000. So the percentage loss from here will be the loss over the cost price times 100 over 1. And that's what we've done here. After we do the cancelling and the working out, we have a percentage loss of 25%. Tom bought some shares for a total of $8,000. A few months later, he was in desperate need of cash and sold the shares for $7,000. What was his percentage loss? So the loss was the cost price minus the selling price, which was $1,000 that was lost. So the percentage loss is 1,000 over the cost price times 100 over 1. When we do that working out and we do the cancelling, we get 12.5%. So that was the percentage loss, 12.5%. May bought a new boat for $16,000. A few months later, she sold the boat for $13,000. What was her percentage loss? So the loss was the cost price minus the selling price, so she lost $3,000. The percentage loss was 3,000 over 16,000 times 100 over 1. So when we do the cancelling out, so we cancel the 3 zeros there and 3 zeros there, which is the same as dividing numerator and denominator by 1,000. So 3 times 100 is 300. 16 times 1 is 16. So that's really 300 over 16. We divide top and bottom by 4 to get 75 over 4. When we work that out, we see that the percentage loss is 18.75%. So this video has explained the idea of percentage loss, and we've seen 3 examples to demonstrate how to actually calculate percentage loss.